You've heard the saying, debt makes you rich, right? Well, it's not exactly that cut and dry. While debt can certainly give you access to resources and capital, that would otherwise be inaccessible to those without. Successful people use debt to make money in a variety of ways. Let's look at 6 ways wealthier individuals and families manage debt to their advantage. We'll go through what each approach is, how it works, the pros and cons of each strategy, and some examples to how people have used them for financial success. Ready to get started? Let's jump into the world of making money with debt. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Freedom. Let's start the video. Number 1. Leverage debt for home investment. Debt is a powerful financial tool, and when used smartly, it can be a powerful way for rich people to make money. One of the most common strategies is to use debt to invest in real estate by taking out loans and rental properties. You can create an income stream that's not dependent on your salary or other source of income. Plus, real estate investments often appreciate over time, so you can eventually sell the property for a higher price than what you originally paid. This makes it easy to strengthen your financial security while simultaneously creating wealth. And as an added bonus, you may even be able to take out of tax deduction on your loans interest payments. Number 2. Use debt to invest in business. One of the best ways you can use debt to make money is by investing in business. Rich people know that taking on debt can, when used correctly, be a powerful tool that helps to grow their wealth. In particular, having access to a ready source of financing allows them to access opportunities quickly and maximize the potential of every investment. For example, if they see an opportunity that requires capital to get started and they don't have the funds available, they may decide to take a loan to cover the costs. This will give them the sources they need with minimal financial risk. Furthermore, if their investment is successful, they are able to pay off the loan and reap all of their profits. Number 3. Using debt to buy assets. Using debt to buy assets is a great way for the wealthy to make money. The beauty of it is that it allows you to leverage other people's money rather than using your own. How does this work? By taking out a loan and using it to buy an asset and generates income or appreciates in value. You will essentially turning debt into an asset. For example, you could take out of a loan to buy a property that has a good cash flow or one that you can fix up and resell for a profit. Or you may be able to use debt to purchase stocks in a company that pays dividends or buy bonds that pay interest regularly. Benefits of using debt. The big advantage of using debt is that the returns from the assets will more than cover the cost of servicing the loan. This means more money in your pocket. Just make sure that you are borrowing responsibly and doing your due diligence before taking on any kind of debt. Riskier options. If you're feeling adventurous and looking for greater returns, there are higher risk options like investing in commodities, gold and oil, or taking part in leveraged speculation on the stock market. Just beware that these come with a greater risk, so only invest what you're prepared to lose. Number 4. Utilizing debt for strategic business transactions. Now that you understand the power of debt, let's talk about how you can use it strategically to make money. Rich people take out of loans to fund business acquisitions and mergers. By doing this, they can purchase new companies and increase their wealth portfolio. The cash flow and returns generated from these acquisitions are often far more than what they invested through the loan. This is because they purchase smaller companies at a discount, allowing them to make more money in the long run. They can also increase revenue by leveraging existing systems and resources, as well as cutting costs. Leveraging credit. Rich people have access to higher levels of credit, which allows them to take a bigger risk that yield greater returns. The key here is understanding which investments come with the biggest potential for rewards, such as investing in commodities or stock options with leverage. Understanding risk and return ratios. In making these type of investments, it's important to understand risk and return ratios. Having a good understanding of these will help you choose the right transaction for your portfolio based on where the risk and return lies for any given investment options. This will help you maximize your ROI while minimizing your overall financial risk. Number 5. Using debt to finance startups. You can use debt to finance your own startup ventures and make money. This is a common strategy used by rich people all the time. As they are able to obtain funding through debt, rather than using their own money. With this type of debt financing, you can start a business without having to put your own capital at risk. For example, if you're starting a restaurant, you can take out a loan to cover the cost of the restaurant equipment, kitchen supplies, and other costs associated with setting up your venture. The key to making this work is to make sure that the profit from your business will be greater than the amount of money you owe in interest payments from the loan. This means that you have a carefully planned out how much money you'll need for your startup and how much revenue it will generate in order to repay the loan. Number 6. Working with partners who can assist in managing debt. The final way that rich people make money with debt is by working with partners who can help them manage it better. These partners can be friends, family members, or even professional financial advisors. By making sure that they have someone they can talk to and consult throughout their journey, rich people are better able to ensure that their debt works for them rather than against them. It's important to note that when it comes to professional financial advisors, rich people don't just work with any advisor. Rather, they tend to seek out advisors who have a good record of success and are well versed in the principles of personal finance. This helps ensure that the advice and guidance given is sound and ultimately benefits them in the long run. Working with a money manager. Having a money manager on board can be incredibly helpful when it comes to navigating debt successfully. Money managers often specialize in helping clients lower their debt load while also helping them create wealth through wise investments. They help you review your debt agreements and get you in a habit of making smart repayment choices so you can become debt-free sooner rather than later. Consulting a financial planner. Financial planners are another great partner option when it comes to managing debt effectively. They'll help you to create a plan for managing your existing debt as well as planning for future liabilities, which gives you a greater control over your finances and more breathing room when it comes time to make payments on any outstanding debts or loans you may owe. By having the experienced professional by their side, wealthy people are better equipped to make informed decisions about how best to use their debts without falling into dangerous pitfalls or taking on more than they can handle financially. Conclusion. Rich people understand how to manipulate debt to their advantage, using it to make money. They use debt to leverage investments, create tax benefits, and increase their wealth without running the risk of having to invest too much at once. While it may seem intimidating to understand debt management, it's not something that's outside the realm of possibility for anyone. With thoughtful planning, an understanding of how debt works, and a commitment to risk management, anyone make their wealth grow with debt by using debt strategically to leverage investments, take advantage of tax breaks, and protect yourself from untenable risks. You can use debt to reach your financial goals and make wise investment decisions. With this knowledge, you can use debt to make money, just like the wealthy do. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for new videos. If you have any question or suggestions, please leave it in a comment. Thanks for watching.